In this video, I will show you how to zoom in and out in Blox routes on your PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're here on my PS5 dashboard. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead, open up Roblox and open up Blox routes. So I'm just going to come up to the search and search for Blox routes in here. So here is Blox routes. So what I'm going to do is just jump into this experience and then I will show you how to go ahead and zoom in and out. So here we are, as you can see, in game in Blox routes. Now to go ahead and zoom in and out, it's actually really easy to do. What you want to do on your controller is you want to press the R3 button, which is actually the right joystick. So what you want to do is give this a press. And as you can see, we're going to zoom in. So this actually puts us in like a first person mode, as you can see. So we can actually move around in first person, as you can see, like I'm doing here. And you can just press the R3 button again to change and basically zoom back out. So you've got actually 3 different ones. So you can go the furthest out like this. If you press it again, you're going to go slightly in. And then if you press it again, you're going to go into that first person mode. So that's how to go ahead and zoom in and out of Blox routes on your PS5. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.